How the food order affects insulin resistance and blood sugar, or how we can reverse the insulin resistance or pre-diabetes just changing the our food order. Before we go in detail of to change our food order, let me explain you what is the insulin resistance or what is the pre-diabetes. Whenever we eat our food, they digest it and convert it into the sugar. That sugar circulate in our blood. There is an organ in our body called pancreas. Pancreas produce a hormone called insulin. This insulin picks up the sugar from the blood stream and break it down into break it down into the energy and take that energy into the cells, and cells consume that energy. If there is a excess sugar, so that excess sugar is stored in muscles and liver. But what happens when we eat our food in a wrong order, or when we consume lot of carb in our food? So that carbs and that wrong order of eating actually disturb that balance of producing the insulin. So that is what we call the insulin resistance, because in this condition the cell doesn't accept the energy from the insulin, and the sugar remain high in our bloodstream. Insulin resistance or pre-diabetics mean we are not diabetics, but we are on the edge. The good news is it can be reversed, and one of the simplest way is by changing the order of our food we eat. So here is the best example of the food order which we can follow to reverse the insulin resistance. So first we start our food with protein. Protein takes longer to digest and help slow down the fast sugar absorption in blood. Next, we eat fat. The healthy fat slow down the digestion and keep fuller longer. Then we eat fiber like vegetable. Fiber acts like a shield, slowing sugar absorption. Finally, we eat carbs. Now that digestive system is buffered by protein, fat, and fiber, so carbs won't spike our sugar. This simple change can keep our blood sugar stable, ease the burden on our pancreas, and give our body a chance to become more sensitive to insulin. By changing our food order, we not only can reverse the insulin resistance and diabetes, but we can also start losing the weight as well. Here I will give you a simple example, and through that example we can reduce our body weight, and we can also reverse the insulin resistance as well. Let's say our body weight is the 80 kg or less than 80 kg. So the maximum calories consumptions, if we want to lose the weight, so maximum calories consumption per day, we need 1600 calories. Let's say we eat 3 meal in a day, so we divided that 1600 by 3, so the plus minus we need 500 calories per each meal. So here is how we build one ideal meal of the 400 or 500, 400 to 500 calories. So let's say the first portion of our food is the protein. So we maximum take 30 gram protein per meal. So that 30 gram protein means either the quarter grilled roasted chicken or a small chicken breast or a 4 boiled eggs. Now the second portion of our food is the fat, which we consume 10 gram per meal. So 10 gram per meal, a good healthy fat is the half avocado or 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The third portions of our meal or our plate is the fiber or vegetable. A large portion of salad or steamed roasted non-starchy vegetables like spinach, cucumber, lettuce and cabbage. The fourth portions of our food or our meal or our plate is the healthy carb. So we can include the four almond or four pistachio, or if not available then we can use the four chestnut and few raisins, the natural sweetness. This small mix provides just enough carbs to nourish our body without spiking our blood sugar in our bloodstream, plus the fiber and healthy fats slow down digestions and help keep us full. By focusing each meal around high protein, healthy fats, fiber, and a small touch of smart carbs will help our body burn fat, keep blood sugar stable and prevent overeating.